So what I'm doing here on the Focus, Ford Focus RS's 2016 through 2018, they had a bad problem with the door weather stripping coming loose because there's no clips or push pins in the door area here that hold the weather stripping on. There was actually a recall or a bulletin on it or something. I think this vehicle was taken in and the weather stripping was replaced. They tried to fix it with some adhesive back tape. And what happens is it pulls the surface of this weather stripping off and then it still falls. So what I'm doing, I've tested it on the other side, taking some Permatex Ultra Black silicone. I cleaned both the door and the back of the weather stripping with some isopropyl alcohol right here. And I ran a bead of the black silicone along the edge of the weather stripping, and I pushed it back up in place, and I'm holding it temporarily with the black electrical tape right here, and that should keep it in place while I close the door and let it cure. I tested it on the other side on a spot and it worked great. So I'm doing this side, and I paid very close attention right here, right in here where the two ends butt together, right in there. So made sure they line up. Temporarily taped it really well. Looks like crap right now, but it should be enough to hold it. The Permatex requires moisture in there to cure. Uses like acetic acid, and as the stuff cures, it'll bond really well to the door. I tested it on the other side on a spot and it worked great. So I'm doing this side and I finished up the other side. I'm gonna let it cure for about 24 hours. Okay, here's the other side, and it was loose all the way up to about here. And I tested from here, right in here. You can see a little bit of silicone I got there, all the way down to right in here somewhere, and it held very well. So I repeated the process further down earlier today. Oh, when I close the door, it's pushing against it, making it go up against the door, so I need to be careful. Anyway, that should hold, and I'll take it loose, the tape loose tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. I'm going to remove the tape off the bottom to see how this holds. And it holds very well. Yep. Looking pretty good. Let me get the rest of this tape off. Okay, I got all the tape off. You can see right here, it's bonded very, very well. I mean, this is holding very good. Wow. Yeah, I think that's the way to go if you're having this problem. Use some black Permatex silicone. I mean, it is holding really good. And I actually went over, just put it over the double-sided black tape that was still stuck to the doors because I couldn't get it off without scratching it. Here's the other side, and I bonded right up in here the other day. And I came back and I glued the rest of it with the silicone. I'm going to remove this tape and we'll take a look at it. Okay, I've got all the tape off the passenger side rear. And you can see this is bonded really, really well again on this side. I don't have any issues with it. It's stuck surprisingly well. Got a little bit of mess right there. I'll try to clean that up, but Wow. Anyway, I hope this helps. Talk to y'all later.